Hello and welcome to our next video where we learn about curve tracing. So curve tracing is very nice topic. Now there are three types of curve tracing. First we discuss about the curve tracing when our curve given in Cartesian coordinate. Cartesian means x and y coordinate. Second one, when curve is given in polar coordinate, means our curve given in the r and theta. And third is parametric coordinate. Parametric means when our curve is given x and y is function of another parameter like t. So curve x is function of t and y is also function of t, that are called parametric. So we discuss three types of curve tracing. First one is curve tracing for Cartesian coordinate if our curve is given in x and y. So first we check that given curve is symmetric regarding the axis or not. For symmetricity, first if we put x is equal to minus x in that curve remains same, means curve's value not change, then curve is symmetric about x-axis. Similarly, if we put x is equal to minus x, if not change value of curve, it means it is symmetric about y-axis. And if x and y interchange, means at the place of x we put y and at the place of y we put x in the given equation, then value of given equation not change, it means curve is symmetric about the line y equal to x. So first thing is check the symmetricity. Second, we have to check symmetricity, then we have to check curve is passes through 0, 0 or not. If second thing, if x is equal to 0 and y comes 0, x 0, y gives 0, so curve passes through 0, 0 or it cannot be passes. So you have to find out it can be passed through origin or not. If it is passed through origin, then you have to find tangent also. Take what you can take, lowest degree term equal to 0. Take lowest degree term equating equal to 0. It gives the equation of the tangent. So next is what we have to check. If tangent, which type of tangent, real or imaginary, real tangents are there, then we have to draw and we can easily draw that curve. So we will take some examples so you can more easier understand how to draw the curves. So I trace this curve. So first solution, first check the symmetricity. If you put y is equal to minus of y, curve remains same because y is in even power, so y square and minus y square is same. It means it is symmetric about x-axis, but it is not symmetric about the y-axis. If x is equal to minus x, then value becomes change, so it is not symmetric about the y-axis. Next thing, equal to 0, we can easily find out. If we put y is equal to 0, then this term will be 0. So 2a minus x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2a. Means at y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2a. It means it is not passed through the origin. Our point is this. Third, if we find the point in terms of x and y, at y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2a and y is equal to 2a, at y is equal to, if we put y is equal to 2a here, 2a means 2a square is 4a square, 4a square, 4a square cancel. So x is equal to a. See, x equal to 2a minus x. So 2a is equal to 2x, x is equal to a. So at point y is equal to 2a, x is equal to a. Similarly, for y is equal to minus of 2a, x is equal to, if we put minus 2a, same, x is equal to a. And You can find some more if you need for tracing. Then just, this is x-axis, y-axis. If A, 2A, A, 2A, minus of A, minus of 2A. Curve is not passing through the origin. 0, 0 is not point for this curve. At y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2a. At y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2a. At x is equal to a, y is 2a. At x is equal to a, y is 2a. At x is equal to a, y is equal to minus of 2a. See, we find out it is symmetric about x-axis. It means our curve is passing through this, and same symmetric about the x-axis like this. So our curve is like this. If you find the asymptotes, see, it will be goes like this. Similarly, if you take another example, very easy. If you find the proper point, you can trace very easily. So, other question: if y square 2a minus x is equal to x cube. Same, first you check the symmetricity. Symmetricity, if put y is equal to minus of y, same symmetric, even power means symmetric about x-axis. If we put x is equal to minus x, but there is the term x and this is x square, so it will change. So it is not symmetric about the y-axis, only symmetric about the x-axis. Second, x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, then y is also 0. So pass through origin. Correct? So two things means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, it will pass through the origin. Next you find out the points. In Cartesian coordinate we can easily find out the points. 0, 0. At A, when we put x is equal to A, then this 2a minus a is a y square is equal to a square. So y is also a. Okay? See, when x is equal to a, 2a minus a is a, y square is equal to a square, 1a cancel, y is equal to a. If you put x is equal to minus of a, if we put x is equal to minus a, it means this is minus 3a y square is equal to a square. Correct? 1a cancel. Then y is equal to a by y square is equal to a by 3, means a by 3 root, and so on. So when we check, oh sorry, that's right, this is x cube. So a cube, 1a cancel, this will becomes again, if a x cube, then we can check at this is y square is equal to a square, means at a this gives plus minus a. Clear? So when you trace these points, this is a, this is minus a, this is a, this is minus a. 0, 0 is point of this curve. At 0, 0, at x is equal to a, y is plus a also, and y is minus a also. Clear? So this goes like this. And if you find that at 2a, if you put x is equal to 2a, so y goes 0. Yeah, so at 2a, y goes, y square 2a minus 2a equal to 2a. It means y square is equal to 2a by 0. It means y is equal to infinity. So at 2a, it is have asymptote. So if it is 2a, so this curve your goes like this at 2a. So this is symmetric about the x-axis and 2a is its asymptote. So it will never come, so it go like this. So in Cartesian coordinate, it is very easy to draw the curves. Just find out the coordinates and you can find. Sometimes if we can't find out, we can find its tangents also, and with the help of that tangents we can draw. Then next, one more example. If y square a plus x is equal to x square a minus x. Y square a plus x square a minus x. Solution. If y is equal to minus y, curve cannot change. Symmetric about x-axis. Clear? Second thing, 0, 0. If x is equal to 0, y is 0. It means passes through origin. Third, if we find out its tangents. For tangents, if it is passes through 0, I told you that lowest degree terms equate equal to 0. So when you equate lowest degree term, then this curve gives, see, y square a plus y square x is equal to x square a minus x cube. So lowest degree, this is 3 degree term, this is 3. Lowest degree term is this. So y square a is equal to 0, y square a is equal to x square a. So y is equal to x plus minus y is equal to means, and x is equal to y and y is equal to minus of x. So these two are tangent for this curve, given curve. So we have to find out the tangent also. We find out this curve passes through origin. This is symmetric about the x-axis. Next, you can find out the table also. If x and y, you know, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to a, okay. Similarly, x is equal to minus of a. If we put x is equal to minus of a, so this gives a minus a 0. X is equal to minus of a, y goes to infinity. So now trace the curve x, y, a minus a. This is a for y, this is for minus a. Clear? Now what? At 0, 0, 0, 0 is point, and at x is equal to a, y again 0. Okay, and at minus a, y goes infinity. Means minus a is the, yes, asymptotes. And you think it is symmetrical about x-axis. Means above and denominator is same, symmetrical above. It means this curve is like, if this, then this goes to infinity, then this also goes to. So this is curve like that. At minus a goes to, and it's see, its triangle, its tangent is this, y is equal to minus x and y is equal to x. This line is y is equal to x. So there are two tangents, y is equal to x, y is equal to minus x, and at x is equal to minus of a, it goes infinity. So our curve is like this. So these are the some examples how to trace our Cartesian coordinates. Okay, thank you.